Hello everyone, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub.
Today I'm going to make pasta with white sauce. So first I have boiled and cooked this pasta with little salt and like 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil so that they don't stick to each other. And once it is cooked, you have to stain the water, the hot water, and then just rinse them in a cold water so that they should not be overcooked. And after that, I'll show you how to make a white sauce and what all ingredients are required. And trust me, it's really yummy pasta. You can give it to your kids as an evening snack or a meal.
So we need onion, carrots, green chilies, tomatoes and garlic. You can use olives also. So now we are going to make white sauce. For that we will take 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. First we'll put green chilies, then carrot, chopped garlic, sliced tomatoes, finely chopped onions. We'll saute them very well. Add salt into it. Now separate them from the pan. In the same pan again we'll take 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Mix the all-purpose flour very well without lumps. Then pour milk accordingly, as much sauce you require. So here I have taken half a bottle of milk. Stir the milk and add some salt. Now you can see the milk has turned semi-liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of garlic mayonnaise. Now we'll add the sauteed vegetables. Mix it well, and to make little cheesy, we'll add mozzarella cheese. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now mix it well and check the salt and add boiled pasta. Now mix the pasta very well. Before adding the pasta, we need to check the salt. Then you can add little oreganos and then cook for another 5 minutes. Now we can garnish with spring onions. And see, our easy and cheesy white pasta is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try and comment.
Friends, the pasta is very